मैं चाय पीता हूँ। I drink tea. I drink tea. वह स्कूल जाता है। He goes to school. He goes to school. हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं। We play cricket. We play cricket. सूरज पूर्व से उगता है। The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. वे यहाँ रहते हैं। They live here. They live here. वह खाना पकाती है। She cooks food. She cooks food. गाय घास खाती है। The cow eats grass. The cow eats grass. मुझे चॉकलेट पसंद है। I like chocolate. I like chocolate. तुम कड़ी मेहनत करते हो। You work hard. You work hard. बच्चे शोर मचाते हैं। Children make noise. Children make noise. मैंने चाय पी। I drank tea. I drank tea. वह स्कूल गया। He went to school. He went to school. हमने क्रिकेट खेला। We played cricket. We played cricket. सूरज उग गया। The sun rose. The sun rose. वे यहाँ रहते थे। They lived here. They lived here. उसने खाना पकाया। She cooked food. She cooked food. क्या आप तैयार थे? Were you ready? Were you ready? क्या वह यहाँ आता है? Does he come here? Does he come here? क्या वह यहाँ आया? Did he come here? Did he come here? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? What are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing? What were you doing? क्या आपने उसे देखा है? Have you seen him? Have you seen him? क्या आपने उसे देखा था? Had you seen him? Had you seen him? वह कहाँ रहता है? Where does he live? Where does he live? वह कहाँ रहता था? Where did he live? Where did he live? गाय ने घास खाए। The cow ate grass. The cow ate grass. मुझे वह फिल्म पसंद आई। I liked that movie. I liked that movie. तुमने कड़ी मेहनत की। You worked hard. You worked hard. बच्चों ने शोर मचाया। Children made noise. Children made noise. मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ। I am studying. I am studying. वह सो रही है। She is sleeping. She is sleeping. बारिश हो रही है। It is raining. It is raining. हम टीवी देख रहे हैं। We are watching TV. We are watching TV. वे दौड़ रहे हैं। They are running. They are running. पंखा चल रहा है। The fan is moving. The fan is moving. माँ खाना बना रही है। Mother is cooking food. Mother is cooking food. उसने काम नहीं किया। He did not work. He did not work. हम वहाँ नहीं जाते हैं। We do not go there. We do not go there. हम वहाँ नहीं गए। We did not go there. We did not go there. वह रो नहीं रही है। She is not crying. She is not crying. वह रो नहीं रही थी। She was not crying. She was not crying. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं हैं। I do not have money. I do not have money. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे। I did not have money. I did not have money. क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you ready? Are you ready? तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो। You are telling a lie. You are telling a lie. पक्षी उड़ रहे हैं। Birds are flying. Birds are flying. मैं इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। I am waiting. I am waiting. मैं पढ़ रहा था। I was studying. I was studying. वह सो रही थी। She was sleeping. She was sleeping. बारिश हो रही थी। It was raining. It was raining. हम टीवी देख रहे थे। We were watching TV. We were watching TV. वे दौड़ रहे थे। They were running. They were running. पंखा चल रहा था। The fan was moving. The fan was moving. माँ खाना बना रही थी। Mother was cooking food. Mother was cooking food. तुम झूठ बोल रहे थे। You were telling a lie. You were telling a lie. पक्षी उड़ रहे थे। Birds were flying. Birds were flying. मैं इंतजार कर रहा था। I was waiting. I was waiting. मैंने अपना काम कर लिया है। I have done my work. I have done my work. वह चला गया है। He has gone. He has gone. हमने फिल्म देख ली है। We have watched the movie. We have watched the movie. ट्रेन आ चुकी है। The train has arrived. The train has arrived. उन्होंने खाना खा लिया है। They have eaten food. They have eaten food. उसने पत्र लिख लिया है। She has written a letter. She has written a letter. मैंने उससे बता दिया है। I have told him. I have told him. तुम भूल गए हो। You have forgotten. You have forgotten. सूरज ढल चुका है। The sun has set. The sun has set. मैंने चाबी खो दी है। I have lost the keys. I have lost the keys. मैंने काम कर लिया था। I had done the work. I had done the work. वह जा चुका था। He had gone. He had gone. हमने फिल्म देख ली थी। We had watched the movie. We had watched the movie. ट्रेन आ चुकी थी। The train had arrived. The train had arrived. उन्होंने खाना खा लिया था। They had eaten food. They had eaten food. वह पत्र लिख चुकी थी। She had written the letter. She had written the letter. मैंने उससे बता दिया था। I had told him. I had told him. तुम भूल गए थे। You had forgotten. You had forgotten. सूरज ढल चुका था। The sun had set. The sun had set. मैंने चाबी खो दी थी। I had lost the keys. I had lost the keys. मैं नहीं जानता। I do not know. I do not know. मैं नहीं जानता था। I did not know. I did not know. वह काम नहीं करता है। He does not work. He does not work. वह कल दिल्ली जाएगा। He will go to Delhi tomorrow. He will go to Delhi tomorrow. हम शाम को क्रिकेट खेलेंगे। We will play cricket in the evening. We will play cricket in the evening. क्या आप मेरी मदद करेंगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? आज बारिश नहीं होगी। It will not rain today. It will not rain today. बच्चे सो रहे होंगे। The children will be sleeping. The children will be sleeping. वह इस समय खाना पका रही होगी। She will be cooking food at this time. She will be cooking food at this time. मैं कल तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा हूँगा। I will be waiting for your tomorrow. I will be waiting for your tomorrow. वह अगले सप्ताह आएगा। He will come next week. He will come next week. मैं कल पत्र लिखूंगा। I will write a letter tomorrow. I will write a letter tomorrow. क्या वे आज मैच खेलेंगे? Will they play the match today? Will they play the match today?